In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a yearly reminder in Google Calendar. First off, let's hop into Google Calendar. You'll start by signing in, which means entering your email and password, and then clicking Next. If you're not automatically directed to your calendar, make sure you navigate there. Once you're looking at your calendar, find the event you want to set a yearly reminder for. It might be a birthday, anniversary, or any other event that happens once a year. Click on this event to open its details. Now you'll see an edit icon which looks like a pencil. Click on this icon to start editing the details of your event. This is where the magic happens. After clicking the edit icon, look for the option that says Does Not Repeat. It's a drop-down menu that, by default, is set to not repeat your event. Click on this menu to see all the repeating options available. From the list that appears, you're going to select Annually. This option ensures that your event repeats once every year, saving you the trouble of having to manually input the same event year after year. Finally, once you've selected Annually, don't forget the most important step, clicking Save. This will update your event details and confirm that your reminder is set to repeat yearly. And there you have it. Setting a yearly reminder in Google Calendar really is as simple as that. No more forgetting important dates or scrambling at the last minute. With this tutorial, you'll have all your annual events organized and scheduled, giving you peace of mind and helping you stay on top of things. Remember, Google Calendar is a powerful tool for managing not just your yearly events, but your entire schedule. So take advantage of its features to make your life a little easier. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more helpful tips and tutorials.